그저 잘 나가고 싶었던 고등학생 베로니카. 하지만 신문부로 활동하며 평범하게 살던 그녀로서는 역부족입니다. 그래서 교내의 일명 미녀클럽인 헤더스에 들어가고자 합니다.
I could afford to hot and horny, but realistically low-key note in Kurt's handwriting, and we'll slip it onto Martha Dumpchuck's lunch tray.
Shit, Heather, I don't have anything against Martha Dunstock.
You don't have anything for her either.
여왕벌 헤더를 주축으로 나머지 멤버 2명 모두 이름이 헤더입니다. 그래봤자 하는 일이라곤 학교의 약자를 괴롭히며 즐기는 유치함밖에 없습니다. 하기도 싫은 앙케이트를 억지로 하는 와중 눈빛부터가 남다른 남학생을 발견합니다.
His name is Jason Dean. He's in my American history.
제이슨 딘은 이번 학기에 새로 전학 온 학생인데요. 평소 베로니카를 눈독들이고 있던 상급생 커트와 램은 제이슨이 거슬립니다.
You gonna eat this? And what did your boyfriend say when you told him you're moving to Sherwood, Ohio? Answer him, Dick. Hey, Ram, doesn't this cafeteria have a no fags allowed rule?
Well, yeah. They seem to have an open door policy for assholes, though, don't they?
가짜는 도발을 하다 완전히 한 방을 먹는데요.
I'll repeat myself.
그러다 그만 참교육을 당합니다.
God, they won't expel him. They'll just suspend him for a week or something.
He used a real gun. They should throw his ass in jail.
전학생의 화끈한 소문은 전교를 강타하고 헤더는 그가 마음에 들지 않습니다.
I thought you had given up on high school, guys.
Never say never.
베로니카는 헤더의 강요로 인근 대학교 파티에 강제로 참석하게 되는데 중간에 들른 편의점에서 우연히 제이슨과 마주치게 되고
The thing you pulled in the calf today was pretty severe.
Yeah, well, the extreme always seems to make an impression.
No, my life's not perfect. I don't really like my friends.
Yeah, I don't really like your friends either.
It's just like there are people I work with and our job is being popular and shit.
거의 처음 본 사람이지만 이상하게도 진심을 털어놓게 되는 베로니카.
Hello, ladies. Throw your coats on the floor. Veronica, this is Brett.
Excellent.
고등학교에서나 큰 소리 쳤지 헤더는 강약 약강인 사람입니다.
You know, I have a little prepared speech I tell my suitor when he wants more than I'd like to give him. Gee, Blake, I had a really nice...
Save the speeches for Malcolm X. I just want to get laid.
You don't deserve my fucking speech.
술 기운에 못된 대학생에게 팩폭을 날리고
You were nothing before you met me. You were playing Barbies with Betty Finn. You were a bluebird. You were a brownie. You were a Girl Scout cookie. I got you into a Remington party. What's my thanks? It's on the hallway carpet. I got paid in puke.
Lick it up, baby. Lick it up.
Monday morning, your history. I'll tell everyone about tonight.
자신의 말을 따르지 않고 대학생에게 대들었다며 학교 생활을 망쳐주겠다는 헤더. 가뜩이나 스트레스를 받던 중 창가에 제이슨이 나타납니다. 제이슨은 헤더를 혼내주자며 아침 일찍 그녀의 집에 들릅니다.
Good orange juice. Well, maybe we could like cough up a phlegm globber or something.
특제 음료를 마시게 해서 골탕을 먹이려다 컵이 바뀌는데요. 제이슨은 그 사실을 말해주지 않습니다.
Heather, I think last night we both said a lot of stuff we didn't mean.
Did we? How the hell did you get in here?
Veronica knew you'd have a hangover, so I whipped this up for you. It's a family recipe.
What did you do? Put a phlegm globber in it or something?
I knew this stuff would be too intense for her.
그는 지기 싫어하는 헤더의 성격을 간파하고 음료를 마시게 합니다. 하지만 헤더는 바로 사망하게 되고
Oh my God. I can't believe it. I just killed my best friend.
And your worst enemy.
Same difference.
All right, we did a murder. Now, that's a crime. But this were like a suicide thing, you know?
당황한 베로니카에게 제이슨은 극단적인 선택으로 위장하자고 설득합니다. 그의 제안대로 유서를 위조하는 베로니카. 다행히 별일 없이 그녀의 장례식이 치러지고
I prayed for the death of Heather Chandler many times, and I felt bad every time I did it, but I kept doing it anyway. Now I know you understood everything. Praise Jesus. Hallelujah.
그 와중에도 헤더스에는 데이트 모임이 많습니다.
Ram asked me out tonight, but he wants to double with Kurt, and Kurt doesn't have a date. Heather, I have something going with JD. Please, Veronica, put Billy the Kid on hold tonight. I'll be your best friend.
커트와 램의 불쾌한 만남에서 발을 뺀 베로니카.
Like last night, Veronica?
하지만 다음 날부터 교내에 이상한 소문이 퍼지기 시작합니다.
I rarely listen to Neanderthals like Kurt Kelly, but he said that he and Ram had a nice little sword fight in your mouth last night.
더 이상 베로니카도 참지 않고 반격을 시도합니다.
Hi, Kurt. Hi, this is Veronica Sawyer. Yeah, I didn't expect to be calling either. I guess my emotions took over. Yeah, I was wondering if you wanted all those things you've been saying to really happen.
I don't get the point of me writing a suicide note when we're just gonna be shooting them with blanks.
But we're not going to be using blanks this time. Like tranquilizers. Only they break the surface of the skin enough to cause a little blood, but no real damage. See, we shoot Kurt and Ram, make it look like they shot each other, and by the time they regain consciousness, they'll be the laughing stock of the whole school.
새벽에 동네 야산으로 커트와 램을 불러내는데
1, 2.
3. Did you miss him completely?
Yeah, but don't worry, it was worth it just to see the look on.
Don't move. I'll get him back.
시나리오대로 총을 발사하지만 뭔가 이상합니다. 도망치던 커트는 결국 제이슨에게 살해당하고
So, what's the deal?
Suicide, double suicide. They shot each other.
Oh man, they were fags.
We realized we could never reveal our forbidden love to an uncaring and ununderstanding world.
My son's a homosexual, and I love him.
How do you think he'd react to his son that had a limp wrist with a pulse?
장례식장에서 자신들의 완전 범죄를 과시하며 즐거워하던 베로니카는 슬픔에 빠진 유족의 모습을 보고 자신들의 잘못을 깨닫게 됩니다.
Put a Norwegian in the boiler room. Masterful. And then when that blew, it set off a pack of thermals I stuck upstairs.
알고 보니 다크호스였던 남자친구는 상상을 뛰어넘는 도라이였는데요. 제이슨의 아버지 역시 만만치 않습니다. 그런데 소위 잘 나가는 학생들의 연쇄적인 사망 이후로 이상한 일들이 벌어집니다. 학생들이 극단적인 선택으로 몰리고 있었는데요.
Veronica, have you heard? We were doing Chinese at the food fair when it comes over the radio that Martha Dumptruck tried to buy the farm. She belly flopped in front of a car wearing a suicide note.
Is she dead?
No, that's the punchline. She's alive and in stable condition. Just another case of a geek trying to imitate the popular people of the school and failing miserably. Is that pate?
Heather! What are you trying to do? Kill me? What are you trying to do? Sleep? Suicide is a private thing. You wouldn't jump off a bridge, would you? No. If you were happy every day of your life, you wouldn't be a human being, you'd be a game show host.
더 이상 두고 볼 수 없었던 학교에서는 일종의 단합대회를 크게 열기로 합니다. 역시 이 기회를 놓치지 않는 제이슨. 전교생이 모이는 체육관에 폭탄을 터뜨려 집단 자살을 계획합니다.
Me and Martha Dumptruck. Where did you get this? I'll give you a week's lunch money.
I don't want your money. I want your strength.
그 와중에 제이슨은 초록 헤더의 약점을 잡아 학생들의 서명을 받아오게 하는데요. 제이슨은 베로니카를 살살 달래서 계획에 동참시키고자 하다가 한 방 먹습니다.
I can't believe you did it. Get you back with my amazing petition. It's not very subtle, but neither's blowing up a whole school now, is it? Talk about your suicide pacts, huh?
Oh,
should have let you take that job at the mall. It was just that I was afraid of you coming home late at night, and I.
하지만 베로니카는 기지를 발휘하여 그를 따돌리고 등교합니다. 체육관 내 스탠드에 폭탄이 설치되어 있는데요.
I mean, news too loose. God damn you, woman.
Like father, like son. A serious as fuck bomb in the boiler room to set off a pack of thermals upstairs. Okay, let's start by putting the bomb down on the ground.
보일러실에서 그와 격돌을 벌이는 베로니카.
You want to clean the slate as much as I do. Right. So maybe I am killing everyone in the school.
Which button do I press to turn it off?
Try the red one, all right? Seriously, people are going to look at the ashes of Westerberg and say, now there is a school that self-destructed not because society didn't care, but because the school was society.
세상에는 쓰레기가 많다며 다 같이 쓸어버리자는 제이슨. 결국 싸움은 베로니카의 승리로 끝나고 폭발은 미수로 그치는데요. 제이슨이 살아있습니다.
You got power. Power I didn't think you had. Pretend I did blow up the school. All the schools.
계획이 실패한 이상 자신이 사라지겠다는 제이슨. 그녀는 그의 소원을 들어줍니다. 엉망진창이 된 베로니카의 모습을 보고 놀라는 헤더.
I just got back.
Veronica, what are you doing?
Heather, my love, there's a new sheriff in town. Hey, Martha. My date for the prom kind of flaked out on me. I was wondering if you weren't doing anything that night. Maybe we could rent some new releases, pop some popcorn.
하지만 이제 이 학교에는 강한 우두머리가 생겼습니다. 이 작품은 1988년작 헤더스입니다. 소재상 당연히 TV에서는 방영한 적 없고 비디오로 봤었는데요. 위노나 라이더, 크리스찬 슬레이터 등 네임드 배우들이 출연했습니다. 크리스찬 슬레이터가 제이슨 역할을 아주 잘 살려서 재미있게 봤습니다. 어린 시절에 저런 이성을 만났다면 대책 없이 휘둘렸을 아주 매력있는 캐릭터라고 생각합니다. 이 영화 이후에 교내 잘 나가는 빌런 여학생 3명의 구조가 만들어진 게 아닐까 싶은데요. 우리나라에서는 잘 알려지지 않은 영화지만 개인적으로 꼭 추천드리는 작품입니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.